I feel like all this red light. Maybe if I do this. I feel like Emperor Palpatine.
And I can be Luke
Minus,
Skywalker.
I don't think
glove.
he has a beard though, does he?
No. Last time I checked. Well, no, that's on his hair. Never mind.
Yeah.
And I can be Luke Skywalker with the glove.
Oh, yeah, you got a black...
Sing, sing.
Okay, anyways.
It's a long intro.
I will use the Force on you. I have to. We're going to try to do some stealth camping, truck camping in Walmart's parking lot. And see how long we can last there. It's supposed to get down to -6 tonight. It's 7 degrees right now. So it's bound to be a cold one tonight. But we're going to do some things. We want you to come along with us while we go truck camping. You ready to take off?
Yep.
All right, let's roll.
High five. Yeah.
I'm going to use the Force on you.
We start a movie. Wait, did you bring your earbuds?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to Taco Bell and then watch a movie and then play cards. Or
Taco Bell, no. We'll go a little bit later to Taco Bell.
Huh?
I said we'll go a little bit later to Taco Bell.
Okay, then let's play a game of cards. Dang, I really wanted my contract.
Huh?
Woo! Dang, I really wanted my
It's getting hot in here.
It is hot.
Got the heater like full bore. Man, I might take my sweatshirt off here in a minute.
Yeah, it's really warm in here for sure.
Crack a window. Crack at a window!
Yeah, see something.
I don't want to see that crack.
I know, and that's why I said that.
That's not the crack I was referring to.
Where is
Well,
it?
while he's getting the cards out,
Yeah.
we made it to Walmart.
Wally's World.
So,
There's my pillow.
there's your pillow.
Your pillow.
So we got the lights on here right now. It's only, it's about 9 o'clock at night.
I found my bag.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I'm trying up right now.
Crazy kid.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see it, but there is
Security.
security officer.
He's been there since we got here. Stalking us. Watching me bend over
Use
and
the
grab
other
a bag.
camera here. See if I can't splice in. But there's the other security guy. Hopefully he's one of those
Nice ones.
One of those doesn't really bother you, rent-a-cops. So we'll see.
Well, I don't think
We'll
that's
see how
even a
long it
cop.
lasts. We'll see if we get kicked out of the parking lot. How's that?
Well, if we get kicked out of the parking lot, we can always just go to Fred Meyer.
Yes. We could always just go to Fred Meyer's.
And then we could always, if we get kicked out there, we could just go to the parking lot over there.
Hopefully that'll work.
I don't think they can even see.
What do you mean they can't even see?
Through this one.
Yeah, it's right here. It's facing us.
Okay.
This one's facing us.
We should make that one. We should make this one.
This is the front camera.
Yes, but this one
That's
should be
the rear
facing down
camera.
so they can see us.
Oh, yeah. That's a great idea.
I was thinking about that while I was getting the cars. I'm like,
Making sure you're not cheating.
Here's my Hawaii thing we're going to play Go Fish with.
Oh.
And here is the Uno. Which one do you want to play first? Oh, I know. Meeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a
Tiger by his toe. If he hollers, make him pay. Oh, I thought that was the...
Meeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by his toe.
Dad wants to play Uno.
Mom says he is not there. Oh, and plus we would have been playing Uno.
Man. Wow. Way to break it there.
Thanks, you're welcome. Let me see.
Oh.
Stop recording. Power off. No. No.
Uh-oh. Stop. No, what did you just do?
I pressed cancel. It went on emergency.
I know. They're going to call back.
It sounds like a really awkward fart.
Oh, my hair.
Ooh, your hair.
I don't really care. Head hair, don't care.
It's gone everywhere.
Okay, how many cards do we pack out?
7.
Is it 7?
It's always 7. It's either 7 or 5.
Let's start with 5.
Okay, if you say so.
See how long the game goes.
Yeah.
And no stacking.
Oh, please. That's just the whole fun of the game because I always.
Okay, we can stack.
Yes. Wait, that's probably gonna come back for me. 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Oh, let's see.
There
Man, I
is
can't tell
no
what.
way.
Is that red or?
Here, let me see.
No, can't tell with the red lights we got in here.
Yeah, probably a bad idea.
Okay.
You will not believe my deck.
You go first.
We should probably set this. If I can move it.
Here, let's do this.
Let's set that up there.
No. Oh, man.
Oh, yeah, we do have to place it right there.
Oh, did I lose a card?
No. It went to the void.
Yeah. Thank you. No, we're good. Okay.
Oh, good.
3, huh?
Yes, that's right.
A green 3.
A green 3.
Green. Yep, that's green. Okay.
Yeah, it's green. Boy.
Red?
Yep.
Oh, you're going down. Going down.
I win.
Uno.
Uno.
You're lucky you laid it down before
I win. That has to be
said
the.
anything.
that
You're
is the-
lucky too. I had
Oh my gosh!
two wild.
Oh my gosh! That has to be the fastest game I've ever played.
Yeah, we should probably play 7 cards.
Yeah. Green. Okay. 3. Red 3. Boom. 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 That is the fastest game I've ever played, and it's on.
Loser has to shuffle.
I don't know. No, loser has to pay. Wait, I don't have
Loser
any
has
money.
to deal.
Loser has to. What? Whoever loses has to lay down the snow. I brought my spare clothes.
I am not laying down in the snow. You already used it. Draw 4.
Oh, just because I'm this one doesn't mean I'm gonna take it easy on you. I got the best card in the game. Best card in the game. Boom.
Oh.
And then.
No, you can only lay 1 card.
But it's a +4.
It doesn't matter because I have a +4. Draw 8, buckwheat
Wait.
and Uno.
But.
No, you can't lay a reverse on a +4. It's got to be the same card.
Boom!
No, it's got to be
Yes!
the same card. You cheater. Draw 8.
Want to hear a joke?
What is that?
What do you call a white cat that jumps in the Red Sea?
What do you call a white cat that jumps in the Red Sea?
Yes.
I don't know.
Wet.
Wet?
Yes, wet.
Oh, dear Lord.
Sure thing. Anything else?
Nope, that'll be it.
Alright, you get your pizza, and then that'll be 3026 for the first one down.
30.26 for Taco Bell.
Yes, Louise, that's a lot.
That is
Expensive. Highway robbery.
30.26. Good grief.
So, what do you think about that?
I think it's ridiculous.
Yeah, okay. Got it right, folks. He thinks it's ridiculous.
Awesome. Thank you.
Sorry.
Nope, all good. Thank you. Sure, Cherry Bliss.
Yep.
That looks awesome.
Yes, it does. It looks small.
Okay. Taco Bell, y'all.
Bell's on the menu.
We got Mexican pizza. Booyah. That's mine.
Here's
You had a taco.
taco.
You had a crunch wrap.
Yum.
I had a taco. And a
Quesadilla.
quesadilla. Quesadilla. Quesadilla.
Quesadilla.
All right, begin.
It did.
Heavenly Father, bless us food to our bodies. Help us have a good night tonight out truck camping. Keep us all healthy and safe. Bless food to our bodies. Amen.
Amen.
Did I pray for the food twice?
Yes, but that's okay.
But that's okay. Double blessed food.
Yeah.
Double blessed. Double blessed.
Which way do I start?
I am so hungry. You hungry?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. Oh my word.
Yummy, yummy.
We built up an appetite playing Uno.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So good.
You know, I'm really upset they don't have the Christmas lights up.
I know. And Thanksgiving was just 2 days ago. They should have it all up by now. Well, if you haven't figured out, we did go to Taco Bell, but we are back in the Walmart parking lot. So far,
Security moved back a bit.
security did a round or two and
Went back.
are back up front at the store.
Yeah.
Wow, really? That was it?
Yeah.
That was weak sauce, man.
Well, I did get most of it out before we started recording.
You didn't even say excuse me.
Excuse me. Last time I checked, it was just me and you.
Yeah, but your mom's going to end up seeing this. I'm pretty sure she doesn't want you burping for the world to hear.
My bad.
Especially not saying, excuse me.
I didn't say excuse me.
Nom nom nom.
You see, there's a bunch of questions we've had recently today. But the really important one is, what movie are we going to watch?
That's the important question of the day.
Yes, it is.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it is.
What movie should we watch?
I'm thinking about the Marvel or Star Wars.
Star Wars?
Mm-mm.
We start watching season 2 of Mandalorian. That way we're ready when season 3 comes out next month.
All of it tonight?
Well, I don't know about all of it tonight, but we can start.
Well, last time we did truck camping, we watched Guardians of the Galaxy. We should watch the second one.
Did we watch Guardians of the Galaxy?
Yes, we did.
Well, I guess we're watching Guardians of the Galaxy too.
Or,
Or we can watch 10 Rings.
if you really want something like. Well, before we do
I
anything,
want to watch a good one.
It is a good one. They're both good.
Yeah, I don't want to watch a Phase 5 of Marvel. Marvel's movies have been getting dumb.
True.
Like,
I will
no
agree.
plot, no good.
Thor, the new Thor was a big disappointment.
Yeah, it was.
I can't believe I waited 3 years for that. Actually,
Yeah, that
more
was
than
so.
the
There was
Ace
no.
movie.
They could have wrote a better storyline.
Yeah,
They also could have made Thor not look like a bumbling idiot.
true. Although the music was great.
I was not at all pleased with Thor 4.
Yeah.
Thor, Love and Thunder. I think the thunder was not from Thor. It was from flopping so hard. How can you go from Endgame and him being so serious to a bumbling idiot and full of himself in Thor 4, which the movies previously set up him not being full of himself.
Yeah.
Just
It's strange.
dumb. I don't know who wrote the story for that, but
Kevin Feige.
I don't know if he wrote the story, but he was the producer. But
Yeah.
Feige needs to do something.
How do you pronounce his last name?
Feige. Feige. Kevin Feige. I believe it's Feige.
I think it's 5G. 5G Ultra.
And he needs to do something. He needs to light a fire under their butt for his screenwriters.
Mm-hmm.
Plus, get everybody to stop being so woke.
True.
It's ridiculous.
Very.
But I'm not really too interested in watching that many more Marvel movies.
Although we could just.
Well, the rate they're going. I mean, Wakanda Forever wasn't even that good.
Yeah, I was expecting more, honestly. They did do good for Chadwick Boseman, though.
Yeah, I will give them that much.
Yeah.
The
And they actually.
respect and honor they gave him for that was.
And they actually said he died of a disease.
Yeah.
So.
That was pretty cool that they didn't replace him.
Yeah.
I thought that was classy.
Mm-hmm. Well, also, unlike the Sprite trailers, there was a dude. You know, like the Sprite trailer where like they go like Wakanda and they open up the fridge. You know, the guy who grabbed the thing in the fridge. I thought he was gonna be in the movie, but he showed up nowhere.
I thought the other world was corny. It was
Yeah.
like
The water. That was kind of weird.
it was like a blend of Marvel and Aquaman.
Really.
A really bad Aquaman.
And Iron Man.
Yeah, spoiler alert. If you haven't seen it yet, don't waste your money in theaters.
This thing yet?
Oh,
Huh?
are we gonna get busted?
Sure hope not. We haven't even started it yet. Where's my?
What are you doing?
Trying to find my thing.
What thing? The seat?
Yeah.
The thing is in the front. It's the bar in between, on the bottom, at the front of the.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Oh, jeez.
Is that as far as back it goes?
Yep.
That's not very far.
No, it's not. What are you going to say about that?
About that or this? Both?
The seat.
Oh. You know, I would enjoy if I could like lean back a bit, but like.
You can.
How?
The.
Oh yeah. Where'd it go? Here it is.
See if we can do this.
Oh gosh.
What in the world?
That's scary.
You're a dork.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Like that.
All right.
Have to watch
Guardians Galaxy 2.
No, I want to watch Endgame.
You're the one that said you wanted to watch Galaxy 2.
No, I said I want to watch Endgame.
No, you just said you wanted to watch Galaxy 2 because that's the one we watched on our last truck camping thing.
Well, I changed my mind.
Change your mind?
Yes, I want to watch Endgame.
Are you female?
I'm nowhere near mom.
Well, you act female.
I take it in mild defense.
Good. You should.
You're not going to finish this. Oh, I turned off.
All right, well,
Can we please watch Endgame?
Okay, fine. We'll watch
Yes! Oh, I love that movie!
Endgame. All right. We'll see
Bye.
you after the movie. All right, well, it is officially 0 degrees.
It's also 1 in the morning.
1 in the morning.
We're like...
We made it through 2/3 of...
more of 3/4 of...
Endgame.
We started watching
But we're
it at
getting
10.
tired.
Very.
It's 1 o'clock. We're tired.
Very.
I think we started watching it at 11.
No, we started watching it at 10:30.
It's only a 3-hour movie, though.
Yeah. It was like 10:49. It's 2 hours and 30 minutes.
Well, that would mean it's only got like 10-15 minutes left. How much time was left on it?
Like 45 minutes.
Oh, okay. So it would have been 10:45.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
okay.
what I'm saying.
All right.
We started at like
Well.
10:49.
Woo. Yeah.
If only these Walmart lights would turn off.
Oh, no, it's the parking lot. So far, the security guy has driven by, I don't know, how many times?
Like 3.
I think it's more than that.
Mm.
I think he's driven by 3 times, but he drove out some of the female employees out to their cars for them. So that's been pretty cool to watch him do that, take care of the employees, so that's cool.
Mm-hmm.
So I think total he's been by us about 6 or 7 times.
Yeah.
And he's actually parked maybe 60 yards away from us right now.
Well, he's not into his car right now.
Did he just park it and get out?
Yeah.
Did he get in his own car?
I watched him get out. He was wearing like a blue jacket.
Oh.
I watched him get out and leave. He's been gone for a while.
From his own car? Oh, I didn't see that. I must have been like so involved in the movie.
Yeah, it was a couple minutes before we started the movie. It was like not even, we started the movie, then he left. He was gone for a little while. I watched him get in his car.
Well, it looks like we made it then, or going to make it.
Maybe, unless...
Through the night.
Well, then there's also security footage right there.
Since the security guy's not there.
Well, also...
Plus, we're right up underneath, just behind us over here, there's a security camera.
And there's 4 over there.
Yeah, there's oh yeah, those are security, aren't they?
It's also a data tower too, a mini data tower.
But I think it's time to sign off for the night.
Yeah.
We'll see you in the morning. Hey everybody, it's 6:15 in the morning.
Hi.
There he is.
I'm gonna go back to my...
It was a long night.
It was actually a very short night because I only slept for 3 hours.
Got down to about -4 last night. I think I got less than that. You got 3 hours of sleep?
Yeah.
I think I maybe got an hour.
I woke up at like 4:45, went back to bed for like 2 minutes.
Yeah. This cat back here woke up and goes, when will my dad be back? I'm like, I am your dad. Okay, but when will he be back?
Wait, what?
You don't remember that?
No.
Oh my gosh, it was hilarious.
Well, you were sleep talking too, so now we're even.
Oh, I don't know if I was sleep talking. I got to get to sleep to do that.
No, like,
I don't think I slept, but maybe an hour.
yeah, no, it was like when we first started, you're like, no.
Yeah. Did you get cold?
No.
Shockingly, no. I did. I got to the point where I had to turn the truck on.
Yeah, I'm shocked I didn't wake up.
Yeah. Anyways,
Nah.
if you like the video, we'd love for you to come along the journey with us. Hit that like button. Subscribe.
Make sure it's not the color of this truck right now.
Which is, oh, red.
Make it gray like my dad's shirt.
Make it gray like your dad's shirt. Okay, anyways.
My dad, which is you.
Oh, yes.
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 And don't let it be red and evil. Make it gray and good.
Alrighty. Well, like the video if you liked it. If you want to comment on the video, we'd love to hear from you. We'll try to get to as many comments as we can. But we'll catch you in the next video. Bye.